Hi there, how are you doing today? We're going to see how to effectively use the Bank of America mobile application for managing a savings account. Okay, to successfully complete this entire process, what we're going to do is actually quite simple. We will first download the official Bank of America app, and once we have it installed on our device, we're going to tap right here where it clearly says Get Started. We'll then proceed to tap that specific button. And well, when we do that, the application is going to ask us if we already possess a Bank of America product or service. If we do not currently have a product, then we'll simply tap right here. This action is what will allow us to open a Bank of America savings account. First of all, this is what you need to do. Here, once we select that action, and well, here we're going to tap this button that says Continue. To get to this section where we're going to open our savings account, it's necessary for us to do this because to apply for a savings account, we would have to do it from the website. Once you have an account, if you do it this way, you can directly choose what type of product you want to get through this registration in the Bank of America app. So you just do it like this until you can open your account, right? And well, that's it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.